Loose like
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Good morning everybody and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to visit my mom. We're gonna have dinner at hers. So I just got ready and Talia just woke up. Look at her morning face. Ay. So I'm just gonna get Talia ready right now. Are you looking at your doggy? Yes. Hi. You slept for 3 whole hours today for your morning nap. It's a long time, you know that? Yes. Are you excited to be awake? Yes, you're gonna see Grandma today. You're gonna see aunties. It's gonna be a lot of fun. So today I think I'm gonna feed her some broccolis. So I have it here. I'm going to blend that, or I can double hear myself because I still have this on. Now it's off. So I think I am going to blend the broccoli today and feed her, and then we're all ready to go. I have the bag ready. I'm ready. I'm just exporting a video. Yay! It finished. So I want to leave the house in like 20 minutes, half an hour. Like I want to be out by 2. So oh, and also I have my lunch right here, and that's it. Oh my god, I opened it a bit too soon. Okay, let's try and shove it. Let's try and shove it down a little bit. I added a little bit of water to make it a bit more watery. Alexa, play Rafi.
Shuffling songs by Rafi from Spotify.
Thank you. Still kind of chunky.
On market day, folks are out to work and play on market day, hooray for market day.
Okay, so this is how it looks. Pretty yucky, but let's see if she likes it. And then of course I have this as well, because she slept for 3 hours. She must be starving. So I'm having this ready so I won't be stressed later on. Let's do it. Bless you. Bless you. Hi, Lolsey. No, this is not for you. Alexa, stop. Do you like it, Potty? Okay, I don't like it so much. I think she doesn't mind it, but it's just like really chunky and it scares me, so I think I'm gonna stop with this. I might just buy like one that is pre-made, but for now I'm just gonna give her her milk because mommy is too scared. But you did so good and I'm so proud of you. And this is my lunch. Yum yum.
2 hours later.
Oh my god.
Yeah, she's not going to wash it and eat. Ah, take me to the business section. Homes. I'm going to invest in a house.
So it was pouring rain outside and this is the outcome. Talia is still asleep in her prom, so I think I'm just gonna wake her now, change her to her PJs and put her in her bed to sleep. And I cannot wait to take a shower and get warm. It's so cold right now. Anyway, this is it for today's vlog. We had so much fun at my mom's. We ate, we were chilling. Talia was hilarious and she did not want to go to sleep, so she was kind of like moving a lot and doing like all sorts of funny stuff, and she was like ba 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 ba, and you know, like being super cute and funny. Sam is now out with Lowsy. He took her for a walk. I don't know if she's gonna do anything because it's like pouring rain outside. It's insane because like the whole ride home was dry. Then we parked the car, and as we got out of the car it started like pouring rain, and then it stopped for a few minutes, so we were like walking fast, and then it poured again, so we started running. So Talia is dry, of course, because we have like this plastic cover, so she was dry, and she was like fast asleep, and she's still fast asleep. But anyway, now it's already 11 and I want to take a shower and change into my PJs and also give Talia a bath. I don't know if we'll give her a bath because it's late and she's already like really tired, so maybe I'll just, you know, put her in her PJs and call it a night. That's it. Like, it was really fun to see the family, to eat together, and to just like sit and relax. I am going to end the vlog right now. I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog, and I will see you tomorrow. Good night.